In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on booking.com. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type booking.com and run the search. This is a simple way to quickly find the official website, especially if you're starting from scratch and don't already have the site saved in your bookmarks. Once the search results appear, look for the official booking.com result. It will usually say something like the official site, along with options related to hotels, flights, or car rentals. Go ahead and click that result to open the booking.com homepage. It's always a good idea to make sure you're clicking the official website so you know you're signing up in the right place. After the homepage loads, move your attention to the top area of the screen and click on Sign In. Even though you're creating a new account, many websites place the account creation option inside the sign-in page, and booking.com does the same. So if you don't immediately see a separate Create Account button on the homepage, that's completely normal. Once you're on the sign-in page, click on the highlighted area shown on screen. This is the section that takes you into the next part of the account setup process. Depending on the version of the page you see, this highlighted area may appear as a field, a button, or an option related to continuing with your email or creating an account. Just follow the highlighted prompt exactly as shown. As you go through this process, take your time and make sure each page fully loads before clicking the next option. That helps avoid mistakes and makes the setup smoother. If the website looks slightly different on your device, don't worry. Layouts can vary a little between computers and mobile devices, but the general process is usually the same. Also, be sure to use an email address you can access easily, since most platforms like booking.com may ask you to verify your account later. Keeping your login details secure and stored somewhere safe is also a smart habit, and that's it for the steps shown here. By searching for the site, opening the official booking.com page, selecting Sign In, and then clicking the highlighted option, you'll be in the right place to begin creating your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.